Alrighty. Hello guys, this is Bragan Whittington here, Patriot Public Adjusters. Today we're going to be taking off this shingle. It is Tamco, and we're going to take this shingle off. I'm going to do a replication of a repair, but I'm just going to be taking the shingle out because I'm going to send this in for an NTS report. When I take this out, I'm going, oh, that's a wasp. Okay, I'm out of here. So when I take this shingle out, I'm going to replicate and show where the shingles have disturbed anything around it. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to need to unseal, all right? And we are on Katoe Chapman's roof over in Culpeper, Virginia, all right, Virginia Avenue. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to use the crowbar to unseal the sealant bond, and we're going to use the crowbar to pop the nails out, okay? So let's go ahead and put this right here. Yep. All right, perfect. Okay, good. So let's get started. All right, so let's see. We first need to break the bond. Okay, so we're going to do one of these shingles here. All right, so there's some mud. All right, so let's go ahead and start breaking the bond here. Make sure you can see me, kind of. Okay, good. All right, so let's break the bond, all right? I already got some mat transfer here, all right? I will show this after. All right, so this is the end of the shingle. All right, well, actually, right here. All right, good. So we're still on a shingle here. All right, so this is, I believe, yep, 1, 2, and then this is the third tab. Hence, 3 tab. So again, I have to unseal the bond of the top 2 and the one below it. I like to be conservative for the insurance companies, right? All right, so the one below it, most people like to do 2 below it. I like to do the 2 above, 1 tab to the right, 1 tab to the left. So 1 tab to the left, 1 above, or 2 above. That's our 1 above. Okay, I got a tear. Here's our second one above it. I got another tear. Okay, so I got my 2 shingles above. I got my 1 tab to the right, 1 tab to the left. And now my shingle below it. All right, now we should be good to go to remove this shingle. So let's go ahead and acknowledge what has been done. I'll get some flashing under there. There we go. Okay, so we got a tear right here, a tear right here. Okay, this is 2 shingles above. So I have 2 shingles right now, damaged in the process of taking this shingle out. Okay, so this is the shingle we're taking out because we unsealed these 2. All right, let's see some mat transfer. Mat transfer here. Mat transfer. Mat transfer. Oh. Mat transfer to the tab to the right. So I have 1 shingle. Shingle number 2. Look at that. tear shingle number 3. And is this a different shingle? Yep. Number 4 and number 5. Okay, 5 shingles damaged in the process of taking this one shingle out. All right, let's continue. We're gonna continue taking this shingle out, okay? So, alrighty. Okay, cool. All right, good. So we have 4 nails above the exposure line, and then we have another 4 nails at the height of the shingle. So we have 2 rows of nails that we have to pop out, okay, pop out the fasteners, okay, so we have 8 in total, 2 rows, all right, so let's start on the exposure line, okay, and we don't want nail pull-throughs to happen, but they just might. So that's 1. Oh wow, I can't even, how can you get this? How can you get that out without it doing this? Look at this. Look, nail pull through already. I can't even get under the nail with the crowbar to take it out. So that is, that's stuck. Number 3. 4. All right. All right, that's just not working. I don't know how someone's going to repair this. I can't even get these nails out. Yeah, this is something. Okay, so go underneath this one. Another nail pull through. Okay, so all right, I got that one. These are out. There we go. Look at all this nail pull through. Okay, so nail pull through. Okay. Nail pull through. Okay. Nail pull through. Okay. I mean, on top of the 5 shingles. On top of the 5 shingles that were damaged in the process. To take that one shingle out. The nail pull throughs, the tears, the mat transfer. That was just before going underneath and popping the nails out. Now, as you see, we have our Tamco Frederick, okay, discontinued shingle, sending this in for an NTS report. Bragan Whittington here, Patriot Public Adjusters, here on the Chapman residence in Culpeper, Virginia, okay. It is now, I believe, 1:35 p.m. On a Friday hot afternoon. It is probably about 90 degrees. So you have nail pull throughs, mat transfer, 5 shingles damaged in the process of taking the shingle out, not even putting it back in. So if I multiply 5 and I want to be conservative for State Farm, if I'm conservative for State Farm, 5 times 10 shingles, let's just say you want to be, well, I'm going to be conservative for State Farm. 10 repairs. If you're doing 10 repairs and 5 shingles get damaged in the process of making 1 repair, 5 times 10 equals 50. 50 shingles damaged in the process of making 10 repairs. What do you think? Bragan Whittington here, Patriot Public Adjusters. Thank you. Have a great day. God bless.